So today we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the AKKO 5075B. And this is a mechanical keyboard with silver switches, as you can see over here. Now this unit was sent to me by AKKO itself. Links are in the description, and AKKO Gear actually brings pretty premium products for a decent price. So let's just see what is inside of the box. It's nicely packaged. I don't hope it's damaged. It came like this, but I think when things ship from China, the Chinese couriers don't always treat our packages as we'd like to. So let's see what we have over here. So we have a nice keycap shield, which seems to do its job. And in here we have, I think we have a bunch of cables. Let's see. Ooh, a lot of keys. That is so cool. So they have inserted a lot of little yellow keys to customize your keyboard. You also have like a little flower. Enter. Nice, a paw. That's pretty cool. Nice. So we have a, wow, this is a quality cable. This is a very thick cable. It's really thick. This is a really decent quality cable. I like it already. What is more inside of here? Oh wait, there's more at the end. So we have these rubber thingies, and we have replacement silver switches. Let's get one out. So these are the silver switches. I really like the sound of the silver switches. Nice. And I think I see more in there. Keycap remover, something to brush your teeth with. Okay, this is also where you can move keycaps with. A little clamp. Nice. And finally, more little keys. Let's see what we have. Sounds like Lego. These seem to be like low profile keys. I'm not entirely sure what that is about, but I like it. So there's a lot of things you get inside of the package. So let's switch over to the keyboard. Oh, it's already turning on. So over here, ooh, that sounds good. Okay, let's make some space so we have some books, but you don't want to see books. So let's clean our desk a little bit. And over here we have the keyboard. Let's take a look. So we have a USB-C. Down here we have side RGB. I mean, you can definitely flex some side RGB. We have the dongle back in here. How do you get that out? You push it? Ooh, that is a little hard to push out. So we have a button over here, Windows, USB, and Mac. So I finally figured out how to pull the little dongle out. Just put your nails back there like that. And there you have it. Now the keyboard has a lot of RGB options, which you can access by pressing FM plus home. You get these kind of effects, or like a wave kind of effects. Let's see. There is a lot of RGB. Personally, I'm not such a big fan of this RGB profile. They're like the color scheme, but it is what it is. It's nice and bright. You can't say anything about that. This is something I like. And you can access this by pressing FN home, page up, page down. This seems to be the more static. Oh wait, not even static. There is so much in here. Ooh, that was what I like. Yes, I'll take this one, like a wave from inside to the outside. And the typing experience on this is really good. Now they sent me, I think this is some kind of a Swedish or Norwegian Bra keyboard. You have the little keycaps, but you can get this in a US layout as well. And it also has a little wheel over here, which you can switch or change the volume with, and it's nice and sturdy. Oh wait, actually demolishing it. There you go. Okay, so let's remove one of the keycaps. So it's actually quite easy to swap around from what I've seen, so let's just check it out. You can just pull it off like that. And let's replace the escape with a nice AKKO key button. Nice. Oh wait, we have to pinch this one out with a different one. Does this work? Yeah, we can get it off. So this is the shift key. Let's see. We have a shift. I don't think we have a shift. Dang it. A little paw button. Let's replace the FM button with a little paw. That's better. So as you can see, this one is actually a little bit higher. It's just a little bit. I like that. So backspace. Let's replace the backspace. Oh. Nice. It's funny how you can customize this. See if we can get a grip. So you have these little stoppers here. You have the main switch over there. Let's give it a yellow spacebar. Wow, this is cool. I like this. So you can definitely customize with all the tens of thousands of keycaps you get. And should one of the switches break, you can very easily replace it with a different one. And it's a very premium feeling keyboard. There's nothing really bad or I can say about this. Typing experience is really good, and like build quality, I think this is metal. It feels premium, and also if you look at like the knob, that's not gonna break. You can push this to mute. Nice. So let's see if we can find some more profiles. So thank you, AKKO. If you're looking to buy this keyboard, it will cost you around 110 euros, but then again, you get a very premium keyboard, and I like it. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, leave the video a like, and I'll see you around.